In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number in Yahoo Mail. We'll walk through the process from signing in to updating your recovery phone so you can keep your account secure and make sure you can receive verification codes on your new number. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. Once the Yahoo homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner and select Sign In. Follow the on-screen prompts to log into your account. Depending on your settings, you might be asked to verify with a code or approve a notification. Just complete whatever is shown so you can continue. After you're signed in, go back to the upper right corner and click your profile icon or your initial. In the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Account. This opens your account overview. From the left side or the top navigation, select Security. If prompted again to confirm your identity, complete that prompt to proceed. On the security page, locate the section labeled Phone Numbers and click it. You'll see any numbers already associated with your account. To add your new one, choose Add Phone Number. If you see an Add Phone Number button again, select it to continue. Enter your new phone number carefully. Make sure the correct country code is selected and double check that the number can receive SMS or calls, because Yahoo will use it for verification and account recovery. When you're ready, continue and follow the on-screen process to finish. Typically, Yahoo sends a verification code by text or offers a voice call. Retrieve that code on your phone, return to the browser, and enter it exactly as shown to confirm the new number. Once the code is accepted, your new number is added to your Yahoo Mail account's security settings. Review the page to ensure the change is reflected. If you're asked to confirm how the number will be used, such as for sign-in verification or password recovery, choose the options that best fit your needs and save any changes. That's it. You opened Yahoo in your browser, signed in, went to your profile, selected Manage Your Account, opened the security section, went into phone numbers, added your new number, and finished by completing the on-screen verification. Keeping this information up to date helps you regain access quickly if you ever get locked out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to move on to your next